Hello students, welcome once again to another section, and over here we have to solve for x in this case. So we have this 7 here multiplying the fifth root of 6x minus 10 here, and it is squared plus 8 being equal to 49 here. Then we have x negative 2 over 5 here plus 8. So what we'll do next is to group like terms, right? This will get rid of that. When positive 8 crosses, it will get rid of that, and we are left with 7 5 6s minus 10 then square here. Now 49 here is a perfect square, so we have 7 squared here. But then also we have x, we can have s 1 over 5 here, then we square it here, right? So from here we have 7 the fifth root of 6s minus 10 here squared being equal to 7 over s minus 1 over 5 here, right? And we square it. So now since we have square on both sides, what we have to do is to apply square roots in order to get rid of the squared here. So we apply square roots on both sides. So we apply square roots. So realize that when we apply square roots on both sides, we have that 6x minus 10 here squared. So we apply square roots here, then also we apply the square roots here also. So we have x minus 1 over 5 here squared. Remember, square will get rid of the square root. The square here gets rid of the square roots also there, and then from there just 7 here, then the fifth root of 6x minus 10 being equal to 7 over 7 here minus 1 over 5 here. 7 here gets rid of the 7 there, then we are left with the fifth root of 6x minus 10 here being equal to 1 over s here minus 1 over 5. Now we take this to the top there, and we take it to the top there, and we just have x here to be 1 over 5, which is just the fifth root of x here. So what we'll do next is to apply exponent 5 to both sides, right? So when we apply exponent 5 to both sides, we get rid of the fifth root. So we do that by applying 5 here. So on both sides we apply 5. This gets rid of the fifth root. This also gets rid of the fifth root, and we are left with 6s minus 10 here being equal to x. We'll group like terms. So we have 6s here minus x here. We send this to the other side, and we are left with 5x here equal to 10. We divide both sides by 5, and therefore x here would be equal to 2. So therefore we can conclude that x is equal to 2, right? Okay, so thank you very much for joining me in this section, and I'll see you in another section.